Long division, final example. We have 6,538 divided by 32. Okay, I've put it into the bus stop method again. So 6,538 divided by 32. This is the hardest of the examples we've done. There's a few reasons. It's obviously we're dividing quite a large number. We're being divided by quite a large number, and 32s are not as easy to count in as 15s or 25s. That means it'll probably take us a little bit longer, but that's okay. Again, you're welcome to give this a go yourself and then to replay the video afterwards to see how you get on. So pause it, give it a go, and then come back and check if you fancy. Okay, we're going to give it a shot now. So 6 divided by 32, we can't make any groups of 32 out of 6, so it's a 0 there, and the 6 is carried across to the next place value place. Okay, now we've got 65 divided by 32. Well, 32 times 1 is 32, and 32 times 3, well, I'm doubling this number, is 64. Okay, and it's okay to make little jottings at the side of your page. I do this all the time, especially when the numbers get more difficult. Okay, so we're up to 64, which was 2 groups. Okay, so that's 2, and obviously we take 64 away from the 65, that leaves us with 1 left over. Now we have 13 divided by 32. Again, there's not enough to make a group of 32. We need at least 32 to make a group of 32. 13 is well short of that. So that's 0, and the 13 gets carried across to the next place value place. Okay? Now this is going to be the hardest one, so we're going to have to count up quite a lot in groups of 32. So we're on 64 already. That's 2 groups of 32. We can go one more, so 96. Okay, which is 3 groups. And we can go one more as well, so I'm going to add another 32 onto this. Okay, so I'm going to add the 2 first of all, which is 98, and then the 30, which would be 128. Okay, so that is 4 groups of 32. I'm going to write it backwards one here. Okay, so that's 4 groups of 32 is 128. Now, if we were to go to 5 groups of 32, that would be, add another 2 is 130, 160. 160 is too much. We've run past our target number. Okay, so this is as close as we're going to get. 4 groups of 32, which is 128. We need to remember our remainder as well. So I'm going to take 128 away from my 138, which would leave me with a remainder 10 left over. Okay? So hopefully that made sense. I do encourage you to make jottings at the side of the page. It does speed things, or it does help you not having to contain as much information in your head. Yeah, give it a go.